Assalamualaikum guys, welcome back to DevCode. Today Flutter widget of the day is icon widget. Icons are everywhere in apps and Flutter makes it super easy to use them. Let's dive into how the icon widget works and understand all of its key properties. This is the most basic way to use an icon in Flutter. Here we are using icons.home, which is the built-in material icon. All icons in Flutter come from the icons class. It includes hundreds of icons like icons.setting, icons.favorites, and more. This property controls the size of the icon in logical pixels. If you don't specify it, Flutter uses the default size, which is 24 pixels. This color property set the color of the icon. You can use any color from colors class or even custom ones. It adjusts the stroke, weight or thickness of the various icons from 100 to 700. And this optical size, it optimizes the icon look for different sizes, best used when dealing with dynamic UI. And you can easily use shadow property to give the shadow to the icon. That's a quick breakthrough of the icon widget in Flutter. If you learned something new today, don't forget to like, subscribe and turn on notifications for more awesome Flutter content from DevCode. Drop your question in the comments. Until next time, keep coding with Flutter. Allah Hafiz.